Gentlemen, welcome back. You've heard fruit is healthy, but not all fruit is created equal. Some fruits are hormonal kryptonite, spiking blood sugar and suppressing testosterone. Others are testosterone powerhouses that can fuel your vitality, muscle, and drive after 50. Today I'll reveal 4 fruits to cut back on and 4 fruits that supercharge your testosterone naturally. Banana. Bananas are convenient, but a large one carries 25 to 30 grams of sugar. That sugar spikes insulin, driving insulin resistance, which lowers testosterone and raises estrogen. If you must have one, pick a small green banana and pair it with healthy fats like walnuts or nut butter to blunt the spike. Dried fruits. Dates, raisins, figs, drying concentrates sugar into a tiny package. A handful can equal a soda's worth of sugar, spiking insulin and suppressing testosterone production. Always choose fresh fruit with water and fiber intact. Skip the dried fruit bowls. Soy snacks. Soy products like edamame or soy bars contain phytoestrogens, plant compounds that mimic estrogen. Research is mixed, but high volumes can tip the balance against testosterone, especially if levels are already low. If you want soy, stick to small portions of fermented forms like tempeh. Grapes and grape juice. Grapes are easy to overeat, and grape juice is a pure sugar bomb. Fiber stripped out, sugar concentrated. It causes insulin spikes that hammer testosterone. If you eat grapes, do so moderately and avoid grape juice entirely. Pomegranate. Now the good news. Pomegranates reduce oxidative stress and cortisol, while directly supporting Leydig cell testosterone production. Just a few ounces of pure juice or seeds a few times weekly can raise testosterone and lower stress. Citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons. These lower cortisol, help iron absorption, and protect nitric oxide pathways for better blood flow. That means more energy, stronger erections, and better testosterone support. Eat the whole fruit, not just the juice. Avocado. Avocados are testosterone gold. Rich in healthy fats and magnesium, they support testosterone production, and free more of it by lowering SHBG binding. Just a quarter to half an avocado daily fuels libido, muscle, and energy. Berries. Blueberries and strawberries are antioxidant powerhouses. Their flavonoids reduce inflammation and protect testosterone-producing cells. They're low sugar, safe daily, and keep your hormonal environment clean and efficient. Gentlemen, your testosterone depends on choices you make daily. Cut back bananas, dried fruits, soy snacks, and grape juice. Load up on pomegranates, citrus, avocados, and berries. Simple swaps in your grocery cart can shift your energy, drive, and performance dramatically. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who needs this edge. Drop a comment. What testosterone-boosting fruit will you add today?